Hi lovelies, thanks for stopping by. Here is Fever's Kitchen and I believe you're all doing great. Today I want to share with you how to make this extremely delicious and fluffy hot dog wool bread rolls, and the recipe is simple but it tastes lovely, so you will love it. So relax as I take you through my simple recipe and I hope you'll be inspired. And please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. And as always, I'll appreciate it. Without further ado, let's begin. In a bowl, I'm adding my all-purpose flour. Yes. Next, I'm adding sugar and then salt. Next, nutmeg powder. And then lovelies, I'm adding baking powder. I'll then mix everything together until well combined. All right. And then I'll go ahead and add my butter. Okay. And then I'll mix everything together. And after that, I'll create something like a well in the middle and add the rest of my ingredients. I've added my evaporated milk, next my egg. Okay. And next I'm adding my vanilla extract. Okay. For flavor. And then next I'm adding my yeast. Okay. And lastly, I'm adding my milk powder, okay? So I'll mix everything together until a dough is formed, yeah? All right, I love the texture, so I'll go ahead and tidy up the work surface. That's with some flour, and then I'll add the dough, and I'll go ahead and knead until the gluten is activated, okay? That is until the texture becomes elastic, okay? And to support your girl lovelies, please don't forget to like, comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe, okay? Don't forget to also share for others to see, and I'll really appreciate it, all right? And as I've always been saying, don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. So we are all done because our dough is smooth and the gluten is also activated. That is why when you press it down, it bounces back or it resists you. So next in the bowl, I've added oil and I've also added the dough. I'm covering it up with my cling film and then I'll leave it in a warm place for about an hour for it to double or triple up, okay? Whilst we are waiting for our dough, we go ahead and fry our hot dog. Okay, so in a frying pan, I've added my oil and now I'm adding my hot dogs. I will fry on all the sides until they are nice and golden. Yeah, these hot dogs are well fried. I love the color, so golden. And it's time to bring them out of the oil for them to cool down, okay? And then lovelies, we will continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere, okay? So after an hour, we are back and here we are. This has really tripled up, guys. Oh, nice. I love the texture. Very smooth, yeah? Next, lovelies, I'm cutting the dough into two and with each half, I will cut it into five. Okay, so you can as well cut them into six or even three, depending on how you want the size to be. All right, all done now. I'll go ahead and mold each piece of dough into a round shape, just like so. Okay, beautiful. Next, I'll use my rolling pin to flatten down each of the pieces of dough, just like so. And then I'll use my pizza cutter to make some designs on it. Okay, and this beautiful. So next, I'll put in one of my hot dogs and I'll cover it up with my dough, just like this. I'll repeat myself until all the dough and hot dogs are finished, yeah? All done and it's beautiful. I'll set that aside and lovelies. Check them out. All are nicely done. Amazing. Next here I have my egg. I'm mixing it just like so. And then I'll go ahead and add my evaporated milk to it. And I'll mix everything together until well incorporated, just like so. And then I'll brush all of them up, okay? Once all is done, I'll then proceed to cover them with my clean napkin and I'll leave them to rest for about 10 minutes whilst they double up again, and we are back. Lovelies, we are not taking them into the oven to be baked. Tada! We are back after 40 minutes and regulating the temperature between 150 and 180 degrees Celsius. Look how beautiful our hot dog wool bread rolls are looking. And I also made two more designs, as you all can see. Yeah, they look different from the original designs I made. And I love everything about this. Lovelies, you will love it. Don't just watch the video, but rather give this a try and thank me later. My kids loved it, especially my elder son. Oh, he was so much in love with this, and I loved it too. It's really, really delicious. I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. For your own convenience, don't forget to check it out, okay? So far, lovelies, I hope you've been inspired. If it's your first time stumbling on my channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes, okay? And don't forget to click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Lovelies, thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe. Toodles, peace out.